Recoritas, welcome to my channel. I'm Sanchez and I'm very happy because today we're going to be talking about how to properly apply your face mask at night. And yes, I prefer to do it at night because after that I'm just going to be resting and I'm not going to be wearing any makeup. So that will help my skin just to, rest and have that little extra flow. So if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to do it right now, and also remember you can follow me on any of my social medias at kalibsanchez. So if you want to know how to properly apply your face mask, stay tuned until the end. With no further ado, let's start. Okay, so the first thing is of course to choose any face mask you want to use. And it of course depends on your needs and how you're feeling. It can be a refreshing one, an exfoliating one, a peel-off mask. Well, it depends. There's tons of varieties, so you just choose your face mask. And I really recommend to do it at nighttime because that way you give your skin time to, rest and process all the products you're using on your face, because you're going to start cleaning your face and you're going to apply the mask and then you're going to apply your products, your normal night routine. So that way you're not going to be wearing any makeup, you're not really going to be exposed to the sunlight, to everything outside. So that's why I really recommend you to do it during nighttime. So as you can see, I'm with all my makeup on, so I'm gonna start removing my makeup, and I'm gonna start taking my makeup off right now. Remember, I start with the eyelashes, then the eyeshadows, and then the rest of the face. So step one, let's take off our makeup. So once you've removed all your makeup, so now what you're gonna do is wash your face with the cleansing. This is a cleansing creamy foam from Lancome. I really like it. I'm gonna show you here. Yeah, it's really good and it helps you remove if you have any leftover of makeup or anything, then this will remove it. I like using this. So once you've finished washing your face, you're gonna of course rinse it off and let it dry before applying the face mask. Depending on the face mask, you can let it dry between 50 and 75%, not completely dry. Okay, so let's rinse it off. Okay, so now it's time for the face mask, and I'm choosing the Glam Glow mask. This is purifying, as you can see. So I'm just gonna apply it. It says leave it on for 5 to 20 minutes and remove with water. Use as full face mask, blah blah blah. Perfect. So I'm gonna apply it. You see, this is like the correct procedure to apply a face mask, because your skin needs to be completely clean. Okay, so as you can see, I left the eye area completely clean of product. Always when you apply a face mask, unless it says differently, avoid the eye area. So now it's time to wait for It said between 5 and 20 minutes. Always read the instructions, but the average is like 15 minutes with any face mask. So I guess I'm just gonna wait for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna show you before rinsing it off. Okay, as you can see, well, I can't really talk, but as you can see, the mask is ready to be completely washed. So you just go rinse it off with some water. It depends on the instructions. Personally, I recommend warm water. I like it and it works for me. So right after rinsing it off and applying all my night routine, my eye serum, my face serum, and then my eye cream and my face cream, I'm gonna come back so you can see how my skin looks like. Stay tuned. It's been just a sec. Okay, so I already rinsed it off. I applied all my products and I'm ready to sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and leave me in the comments what type of facial mask you like and also what other video you would like to see. Thank you so much for being here on Tuesdays of Beauty with Cali. I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on any of my social medias at kalibsanchez. I love you, recoritas.